Introduce your skin to a new, pampering experience. A pure, gentle way to soften silken skin without the crazy afterfeel. Yet so effective it locks in 10 times more moisture than any lotion and cream. Now, an oil so light, it'll change the way you think about baby oil. New Johnson's Baby Oil Light. Experience and enjoy the light feeling. Sa mag-asawa, maraming sandali ang karaniwan. Pero dulot ay kakaibang kaligayahan. Pagmamahal at pag-aalaga, kusang ibibigay. Walang hintong binubuhos, purong pagmamahal at pangako sa isa't isa. Tulad ng Johnson's Baby Oil.